Hello, you are welcome to solve for x and y in this equation using elimination method. Then we have 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. Then 5x plus 2y is equal to 19. We want to find the value of x as well as the value of y using elimination method. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. Then here we have 3x plus 2y equal to 11. Let us call this equation 1. Then we have 5x plus 2y is equal to 19. Let us call this equation 2. Here we have the coefficient of x as 3 and the coefficient of x here as 5. Then here we have the coefficient of y here as 2 and the coefficient of y here as 2. Then we can actually eliminate either x or y, but in this case I think eliminating y here will be more simpler and easier. So let's see, what do? Let's subtract equation 1 from 2. Then that is, we have 5x plus 2y minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 19 minus 11. Then here is 5x plus 2y minus 3x minus 2y is equal to 19 minus 11, that is 8. Then this cancel this. We have 5x minus 3x. This is 2x is equal to 8. Let's divide both sides by 2. This divided by 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 4. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1. Therefore, x is equal to 4. This is the final answer for x. We've gotten the value of x. Let us solve for y. To solve for y, we may use either equation 1 or equation 2 here. But in this case, I'm going to make use of this equation 1. From equation 1, this is 3x plus 2y equal to 11. Then if x is 4, we have 3 bracket 4 plus 2y is equal to 11. 3 times 4, that is 12, plus 2y is equal to 11. Then 2y is equal to 11 minus 12. 2y is equal to 1. And let's divide both sides by 2. This divided by 2. Therefore, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1. 2y is equal to minus 1. Let's divide both sides by 2. Let's divide both sides by 2. And therefore, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1. Y is equal to minus 1 over 2. This is the value of y. We may also solve the question in this form. That is, we have 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. This is our equation 1. Then 5x plus 2y equal to 19. This is equation 2. Now, in order to eliminate x, let's multiply this by 1. In order to eliminate y, then in order to eliminate this y, let's multiply this by 1 and this by minus 1. So if you multiply by 1, we have 3x plus 2y equal to 11. There will be minus 5x minus 2y equal to minus 19. Let's add the two equations together. Then this cancel this. We have 3x plus minus 5x equal to 11 plus minus 19. And this is 3x minus 5x is equal to 11 minus 19. 3x minus 5x, this is 2x equal to minus 2x is equal to minus 8. Let's divide both sides by minus 2. This divided by minus 2. This cancel this. Minus 2 here 1, minus 2 here 4. Therefore, s is equal to 4. Then we've gotten the value of s. Let us solve for y. To solve for y, then from equation 2, we have 5x plus 2y equal to 19. Now we have 5 bracket 4 plus 2y is equal to 19. 5 times 4, this is 20 plus 2y equal to 19. And this is 2y equal to 19 minus 20. 2y is equal to minus 1. Then let's divide both sides by 2. This divided by 2. These 2 cancel these 2. Y is equal to minus 1 over 2. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 3x plus 2y equal to 11. Then 5x plus 2y equal to 19. Now if x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 1 over 2, then let's consider this. We have 3 bracket 4 plus 2 bracket minus 1 over 2 is equal to 11. Then this is 3 times 4, 12 plus 2 times minus 1, that is minus 2 over 2 must be equal to 11. These two cancel these two. We have 12 minus 1 must be equal to 11. Of course, 12 minus 1, this is 11, is equal to 11, which is true. Let us consider this. Then 5x plus 2y equal to 19. And we have 5 bracket 4 plus 2 bracket minus 1 over 2 must be equal to 19. 5 times 4, this is 20 minus 2 over 2 must be equal to 19. This is 20 minus 3 1, 3 1. That is 1 must be equal to 19. 20 minus 1, this is 19, is equal to 19, which is true. Let us solve one more question called question number 2. Now, let's quickly solve this second question. If you have 5x plus 6y is equal to 40, then 5x plus y is equal to 20. Then we want to find the value of x and y. Now, 5x plus 6y is equal to 40. Let us call this equation 1. Then 5x plus y is equal to 20. Let us call this equation 2. You can see that the coefficient of x here, they are the same here and here. Now, what do? We can easily eliminate x here because the coefficient of y here is 6 and the coefficient of y here is 1. Now, let's multiply equation 1 by -1 and equation 2 by 1. Then this is minus 5x minus 6y equal to minus 40. Also, then here will be 5x plus y equal to 20. Now let's add the two equations together. If you add the two together, this cancel this. We have minus 6y then plus y. That will give you minus 5y equal to, if you have minus 40 plus 20, that is equal to minus 20. Let's divide both sides of this equation by minus 5. This divided by minus 5. This cancel this. Minus 5 here 1, minus 5 here 4. Therefore, y is equal to 4. This is the value of y. We've gotten the value of y. Let us solve for s. To solve for x here, from either equation 1 or equation 2, let me make use of this equation 2. From equation 2, we have 5s plus y equal to 20. Then we have 5s plus y is 4 is equal to 20. 5s is equal to 20 minus 4. 5x is equal to 16. S is equal to 16 over 5. Therefore, our final answer are s comma y is equal to 16 over 5 comma 4. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. Five x plus 6y equal to 40. Then 5x plus y equal to 20. Now let's consider this. And this is 5 bracket s is 16 over 5 plus 6 bracket 4 must be equal to 40. Then this cancel this. We have 16 plus 6 times 4, that is 24, must be equal to 40. And 16 plus 24, this is 40, is equal to 40, which is true. Now let us consider this. 5 bracket 16 over 5 plus y is 4 must be equal to 20. And this cancel this. We have 16 plus 4 must be equal to 20. 16 plus 4, this is 20, is equal to 20, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.